Put it down now! Put it down! Put it down now! Put it down! Put it down now! Put it down now!
Deputies in Virginia arrived to check on a man acting erratically, and the moment they approached the house, he emerges with a loaded gun aimed straight at them.
Now!
No. Put it down!
Anthony! Come on. Anthony. Mary Jane, is that a real gun? 7-Act, Max. Let me back up now. Got one at gunpoint. Anthony? Anthony? Anthony! Put the gun down! Is that a cap gun?
I don't know if that was real or not.
That's a cap gun. 7-Act, Max. Something shoots at me. Mary Jane, I'm gonna shoot him. I'm gonna shoot him.
I don't even think it's real.
It is real. 7-Act, Mac. My car was shot. Send me back up now. Look at my back window. Look at my back window. Get over there now. Get over there now. Mary Jane, get over there now.
I'm not. My husband's in there. He doesn't have any.
Get over there now. Anthony? Get. You're gonna wind up getting shot.
Stop.
You better send me to hell. Come on.
Get over here. You're gonna get shot. Down now. Put it down now. Put it down. Put it down now. Put it down. Put it down now. Put it down now.
Put it down.
Where's that other girl?
Anthony, I do not want to do this. I do not want to do this. Put it down.
How long I've been wanting it? I had a bad day.
Put it down now.
I know you want to.
Act like that, Anthony. Put it down.
He knows you want to.
Put it down.
Come on,
Put it down now.
man.
Put it down now, Anthony.
Tell me, Shima, you wanted it to. Come on, tell me.
Put it down.
Come on.
Put it down. Put it down now. Put it down. Anthony.
No, come.
Anthony. Anthony.
Anthony, put it up.
Why you have to change?
Mary Jane, move over by your car now.
Nah, Ma, don't go and buy your car. Don't go and buy your car. Don't listen to that fat
Put it up, Anthony.
Put the machete.
No.
Put it down.
You already in trouble?
Nah, I ain't going nowhere.
Yeah, you are.
I'm going to hell.
Anthony, it's not funny. Stop.
Put it down
I'm
now.
going to hell. Send me to death row.
Put it down now.
Death row.
Anthony.
Put it down now.
Nope. I'm going in.
Bob, come out of the house. Don't go, no, Mary Jane. I don't care, Mary Jane. I got to take this serious. I know y'all. I know he probably won't do nothing to you. But you got to understand, you have to get back now. He's right on the inside of the door. He won't come out.
Get the f out of the house now!
He's done shot the back window out.
Get the f out! Get the f out now!
I'm 10-4. The subject's inside. Will not come out.
Come on! Get the f
Bob,
out
come out.
now!
Bob, come out. Come on over here. Why are you holding your arm like that? Is there anyone else in the house?
Shoot at you?
Yeah. I should have. I had a clear shot. I should have taken it. I'm regretting.
Is this not a go?
The gun is supposedly out of bullets, but that's why you got a machete now.
Crazy.
Just wait for backup right now. I mean, the cage won't do anything to the door, so. I think the only other back door is on that side, that far side. The subject's inside with a machete now. Supposedly he does not have any more bullets. This is Anthony Baumgartner. No. No, absolutely not right now. He's currently cutting with the machete. Mary Jane, I cannot have you go to the door.
Why?
I cannot have you go to the door.
Because if he was, he'd have done it before he
That's
shot
it.
up.
It was a BB gun. Only reason why I didn't shot it because it sounded like a pop gun.
So let's make entry. I'll cover you with the taser. What's his name?
Let me see your hands.
Hands, bud. Hands. Come here. I know. Come here. Give me this hand. We're gonna get you help. 8 Mac, 1 to 10.
Come on, man.
Alright. Hi, Lucy. Love you.
You got anything on you I need to know about?
I don't think so. You might want to check the left, though.
Huh?
Left pocket.
Left pocket? What you got in there? Anything? Anything that's gonna poke, pry, or stick me?
I don't.
This. That had to have been a BB. Can you get me? Well, I'll go get it.
Bro, that ain't a BB gun. That's like a 9mm 40.
It's
22.
You realize you pointed that right at me?
Yeah.
Mitch, take him. Take him.
Don't do what you did last time.
What I did last time? What are you talking about?
You know what you did last time.
When?
You know what you did.
You thinking of the wrong dude?
No, I know. I got video.
Put him in your car.
All right, come with me.
I handled it horribly. That's what I'm pissed about.
What'd you handle? You did great, dude.
No.
Look, bro, it's in the fence too. You ought to check that house, make sure they're okay.
Well, John, can you make contact with the house, make sure everyone's all right? He's in custody. He shot at me.
What?
Yeah. Make sure they're all right, because the bullets were going this way. I handled it horribly, though.
You good? You good?
Yeah. I'm just pissed at myself right now.
What's going on?
I handled it horribly.
You okay? You good? Get checked out?
Yeah, I'm fine.
Who is it?
Anthony Bumgardner.
Fucking shot at Cody, man.
I imagine they're going to investigator out. That's why I haven't moved anything. Actually, we need to get them out of the house. Bob's in there too. They both need to get out. They can sit in the car, but the gun's still in there.
What did you shoot at you with?
Apparently a lot bigger than I thought. It sounded like it was just a BB gun. It looks like it's...
You had a couple rounds. They were in the car,
Yeah.
went through the fence.
Yeah, I felt something in my leg, but...
When they shot me, I swear I thought my windshield busted and I had glass in my face and they never hit my
It must have been just the glass. Okay. I don't know if investigators coming or what.
Where's the scene so we can set it up?
Yeah, I guess we can start roping off. Honestly, if we all get back to Eric's car and just rope off the whole, because I know them, they want it roped off big.
The suspect, 19-year-old Anthony Bumgardner, was taken into custody and charged with 2 counts of attempted aggravated murder of a law enforcement officer, use of a firearm in the commission of a felony, shooting into an occupied dwelling, destruction of property, and several related firearm offenses. According to court records, Baumgardner later entered a guilty plea. He was sentenced to 28 years, with all but 8 years suspended, meaning he will serve 8 years in prison, followed by strict supervision after his release, and was ordered to pay restitution. Anthony will be 27 years old when he is released from prison in 2032.
There's a reason the primary officer didn't shoot, and it might not be what you think. A study from the National Institute of Justice found that officers who decided to shoot in justified deadly force incidents often did not have information on the subjects they were facing and could not determine the emotional state of the subjects, meaning that officers who are familiar with the subjects tend to refrain from using deadly force. At one point in the body cam footage, the primary officer mentions that he knows the suspect and that he doesn't believe he would hurt his family. This is very likely the reason he chose not to shoot, and it's important to realize that in situations like this, there's hardly ever a correct or incorrect answer. While the primary officer was heard criticizing his own handling of the situation, the judge later praised his calm, controlled response while under fire. While the situation may have ended okay in the end, that officer will likely continue to play that day in his head over and over again for the rest of his life. Now, one thing that stood out to me was the notepad that the female officer was holding, and that's not a criticism, it's a reminder. Whether you're a trainee, a rookie, or a veteran officer, there comes a point where self-preservation has to take priority over everything else.